In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Drive with your computer utilizing ipv4.google.com for effortless download and synchronization. By the end of this guide, you'll have Google Drive set up on your desktop and be able to sync your Obsidian notes automatically. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to download Google Drive to your computer, open your web browser, and go to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type in Google Drive download and hit enter. Should a list of results appear, and the one you're looking for should be right at the top. Once you found it, click on Download Google Drive. After that, you'll be directed to the Google Drive page. Here, you're going to see an option that says Download Drive for Desktop. Click on this link and your download should begin shortly. This is a straightforward process, but if you encounter any roadblocks, double check that your internet connection is stable. Once the download is complete, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. With Google Drive now installed, it's time to locate it on your desktop. Open your computer's File Explorer, and you should see a new folder titled Google Drive. Double-click to open it. This folder will be your main hub for managing and syncing all your files with Google Drive. Now let's create a specific folder within Google Drive to store your notes. Inside your Google Drive folder, create a new folder. You could name it something like Obsidian Vault. This is where all your Obsidian notes will reside and sync automatically to the cloud. Once you've done that, open the Obsidian app on your computer, an incredible tool for note-taking and organizing information. In Obsidian, look for the option that says Open Folder as Vault. When prompted, navigate to the folder you just created in Google Drive and select it. This action will allow Obsidian to use this folder as its vault location, meaning all your notes will be stored right here. As you start creating notes within this vault, each note will be automatically uploaded and synced to your Google Drive, ensuring that your information is safe and accessible from anywhere. This setup is especially useful if you often switch between devices or need to collaborate with others. Plus, it's an excellent way to keep a backup of your work without any extra hassle. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to integrate Google Drive with your desktop for effortless syncing and storage of your Obsidian notes. With this system in place, you can focus on what truly matters, creating and organizing your ideas. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and I hope you find the setup as beneficial as I have.